Okay guys, I just gone to the Granville. There's a 75.
No, not approaching the view.
There's a 75 passing platform slowly past. Got someone for you. Sure. There's a 75. We've got an M set arriving onto platform number 3. It is a city circle via museum service. First of Clyde, the North Station to McDonaldtown, then Redfern Central Museum, St James, Circular Quay, Wynyard, the Town Hall. So got an M set. City circle via museum. From M5 front 4 cars. I can't see the refill cars. I'll get the refill cars at the end for you guys. Sorry. Yeah.
The train on platform 3 goes to
City Circle via museum. First stop Clyde and Auburn, Wickham.
Flemington, Homebush, Stratford.
Oh, extras about Homebush today. Nice.
All stations to Redfern, then Central, Museum, St James, Circular Quay, Wynyard, and Town Hall.
The car I'm looking at right now is N1530. Okay, M5 front 4 cars, rear 4 cars untargeted. Not the rear 4 cars didn't get set though. I should get this set when this train departs successfully. The rear 4 cars. M7, the rear 4 cars are M7, M5, and M7 off to the City Circle by museum. Okay, there it goes. Now we're gonna race now. Here comes the race. Next train to City Circle by museum again. No, is this a town hall?
The next train to arrive on platform 3 goes to City Circle via Museum.
Okay,
First
no, not
stop
again.
Clyde, then Auburn, Lidcombe, Flemington, Strathfield, Burwood, Ashfield, Newtown, Redfern, Central, Museum, St James, Circular Quay, Wynyard, and Town Hall.
Okay, so trains that go to Parramatta, take an extra stop at go to museum, town hall services.
And allow others to alight before boarding.
The next train on platform 2 and 1 do not stop. I don't know what the following services are, but most likely we should have a V-set passing shortly. The next train on platform number 4 doesn't stop. Okay, I'm gonna go to platform 4. Next train platform 4 doesn't stop. Following services is Parramatta. Parramatta. Alrighty, there's a water. Yellows. So it's across there. Okay, I'll catch that not stopping service soon. Just let me just film some train. I do see a train about to pass platform number 4. There's water. About to fly past platform number 4. You stay away.
Customers on platform 4, the next train does not stop at this platform. Please stand behind the yellow line. Please stand clear.
Got a Richmond service passing platform number 4. Water Series 1, B829. Not too sure why it's not stopping. It's supposed to stop. Alrighty, soon else, really soon, in 1 hour or 59 or 57 minutes, we will have a Hornsby via. There's a VSS Sydney Terminal service passing platform number 1. Returning from the Blue Mountain, this is a Sydney front 4 cars V9, rear 4 cars V8. Next train on platform number 4, Parramatta service. V7, V8, and V9 Sydney Terminal service. Those were V7, V8, and V9 returning from Lithgow or Mount Victoria. or Springwood. I don't know where it's returning from. And arriving at platform number. Oh wait, never mind. I thought that was a train coming. Alright, next train's in 2 minutes, so I'm just gonna stand here. I just see this, just that last thing. Yeah. There should be another train soon. Alright. Yeah. 1 second. Next train is due in 1 minute on platform number 3. So success. Flying Museum. Usually it's supposed to start at 9:50, but I don't know why. It started early. Next train should due now. I'm pretty sure. And during 4 minutes we have a paramedic service. Or the first train is a city circle service via museum. Should arrive into platform number 3. We're gonna go to the end of the platform. We've got a case that arriving into platform number 3, city circle via museum service. Casey. The front 4 cars are K88. It's the front 4 cars. T said passing platform 2. It's Western train. T's Tangara train passing platform number 2. I couldn't get set. The rear 4 cars. K62. K62 and K89. Sitting on now departing platform number 3. Let me see the screenshots. By K62, have fun going to the city. City by Granville. It should potentially. And approaching platform 4, we got a paramedic service, I guess. Platform 4 now! Quick! I'm gonna. Yeah, today's a fun day ever. I love this day. 3 new vlogs. We're gonna get a Clyde. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking. They said there was a paramedic service coming, so it should be now on the platform. Alright. I don't know when the next train's coming. It's confusing. Now. Already we have a V-set, I guess. Storage. No, we got the XPT. Passing platform 1 from Motor 2017. I'm not too sure where it's returning from. I'm pretty sure it's returning from Broken Hill. Through Motor 2000. It's next feet. Paramedic service. A1. Hey, paramedic service, what's up? Oh, wait, I'm sorry. Okay, just got some pictures. Oh, I forgot to get the graphs and XPT. Not the graphs and XPT. The XPT's picture. Damn it! No, I missed it. God, I'm an idiot. Alright, A1 departing for a paramedic service. First at Paris Park, paramedic only. Just got a picture of that. Paramount service. A1 is the set. What a good day, A1. Have fun some. Here we go. There is a lot of trains passing today.
We are on Granville platform.
Already, I think there's a train shortly passing. There's maybe a water electricity service. Sure.
You know what he like.
Okay.
Do you need anything?
We should have any train passing.
Okay. What one would you like?
I think there's a water arriving into platform number 4 for Leppington via Liverpool service. I'm pretty sure there is one train on spot. Yeah, they come on. We got a water. North Shore service. Okay, it says Central via Stratfield. A23 passing platform 1. Heading to Central. I'm pretty sure it's going to Linfield or Hornsby or Brower. No. If it's going to Brower, that means it said Brower already. But I don't know. Anyways, I think it's going to Hornsby. I don't know. Maybe a Hornsby train or something. Already did Parramatta service that it left. We have a water now arriving into platform number 4 for the pizza service. It should be now on the platform. Let's stop somewhere. The next train does not stop at this platform. Please stand behind the yellow line. Please. Water Series 1, Leppington service. It says A76. Oh. Nope. Overshotting. Okay, I did get some good screenshots. Now let me get the... When you see water depart really fast for a ride. We've got a water passing platform number 1. Linfield service. A28. Okay, I'm gonna wrap up the vlog now. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. 1 second. Click like, subscribe, and turn on those bell notifications, and I will see you all later. Goodbye.